Identify the error, A, B, C, or D, or is there no error? The school board emphasized that neither the teachers nor the principal were informed about the policy change. 5 seconds. The right answer is letter C. Bakit siya yung error dyan? Kasi mali yung subject-verb agreement. Tandaan nyo, kapag merong neither, nor, o kaya either, or, o kaya not only but also, or in short, correlative conjunctions, kapag may ganyan, titingin kayo dun sa subject na mas malapit doon sa verb. Meron tayong dalawang subjects dito, teachers and principal. Teachers, plural, principal, singular. So, how do you decide? Since yung principal ang mas malapit sa verb natin, ang susundin nating agreement yung kanya. So, singular. Dapat was informed. And that's what you call the proximity rule. Again, proximity, ibig sabihin kung alin yung mas malapit, dun tayo mag-agree ng verb.